Kamusta ka, EV? Welcome back to EV Channel PH. And today, ito yung ating EV feature for this week. The Raider RD6 EMP Elite 4WD. Haba, no? Anyway, itatest natin yung off-road mode nito. Kasi ang dami niyang mode eh. Meron siyang eco, sports, and of course, kasama na yung mud and off-road. As you can see, ang daming mga uneven road, lubak-lubak dito. So, tara! Huwag na natin patagalin pa, i-test drive na natin. So now, ano ba yung mode natin ngayon? Ayan, sabi ko sa inyo, marami siyang mode. Meron siyang economy, comfort, sports mode, snowfield, ano ba yung isa? Mud, off-road, and sun mode. But this time, off-road tayo. Ayan, as you can see, naka-off-road tayo. Tara, test drive na natin. So, kay EV kanina, nung inon natin kanina yung off-road niya, nilipat natin doon, napansin ko na umandar yung kanyang engine. So, ibig sabihin, kailangan niya ng more power to support yung ganitong klaseng terrain. Ito, habang dinadrive mo to, ramdam mo talaga yung yung power delivery niya. Very strong siya and very responsive. At built talaga itong Raider for this kind of condition.